Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and I will be showing you how to download PNG files. PNG file is a file that is like a picture that doesn't have a background. I'll show you example of those files in my gallery here. A PNG image, actually it's a PNG image actually. Yeah, all right, so this is the PNG files. I labeled the folders PNG files. Now each of these pictures does not have a background. They don't have a background, as you can see. They're just one picture that doesn't have background. Now if you want to download a PNG file, let's say a bottle of beer, you just search for it in your browser. Actually, we have so many websites that offer free PNG images, free HD PNG images. HD means high definition. Okay, so we have lots of them on the internet, but I usually have a way of looking for PNG images that is quite different. So instead of using a website I'm looking for what I'm looking for, I'll just search for it on Google, and there will be an array of images I can use. So I'll just head into my browser right away. Opera. I'll use Opera for this video. And yeah, I open my Google, and I will look for, let's say I want to make design for a beer factory. Okay, I'll just open my Google, and I would search, let's say, Gouda beer bottle PNG. Now if you want to look for a house, you would say bungalow house PNG. You will see lots of houses online. If you want to look for a mouse, you will say computer mouse PNG. Now just know that you have to add PNG to all of them. You have to add PNG to whichever image you are looking for on the internet, because it will appear as a picture that doesn't have background. So for this video I'm using Gouda beer bottle PNG. Alright, so I'll just open it and just watch very carefully what I'll be doing right now. So I'll click on images here. Let me show you. I'll click on images as I highlighted now. So I'll click on it, and once it opens you will see so many bottles of beer and Gouda. There's even a suggestion for different beers. We have Heineken and all that. There are lots of them, but I just want to work with Gouda beer. So I'll click on something. Now if you look under the image, you will see something like a website that's under it. You will see a website under it, so you will click on the website that is under it. So you just click on the website under the image you want to open. Alright, as I just highlighted here, I'll click on it and it will lead you directly to the website that the file is, the image is, and you click on download transparent image. So once it opens, you can be able to download it. You can download it, so it will begin to download automatically. So let me just say replace. So it has downloaded already, and I will show you how to make use of it. I'll just make a very simple design using that downloaded beer bottle, a very simple design. So let's head into our design software or application in your phone. So I have a blank design, fresh page. So all I just have to do is to import that image I just downloaded. I want to show you that once you download a PNG image, it won't have background. So let me show you. This is it, and it doesn't have any background. So I want to use it to make a very simple design. So I'll fix this in the middle, and I'll import a table. So this is it. I already have it here, so I'll send it down and send it to back. Now the next thing I want to do is lock it, and I would want to make something like a shadow that will be under the bottle. Let me raise this bottle up a little bit. So I'll click on it. I'll look for circle shape, and then I will just reduce it a little bit. Circle shape. And I'll click on OK. Then I'll head over to shadow. I'll click on shadow, enable it. Then I'll click on color. I will bring this knob you see moving right now. I'll just move it towards the left. So I'll stop it here and I'll click OK. Then I'll click on OK, and then I'll move over to opacity. I'll click on opacity and reduce the opacity to 0. Then I'll take this circle shape under the bottle. Then I'll just arrange it as I want it to be. So I'll just arrange it like this. Now it will look as if it is standing on the table. I will duplicate this for the other one. So I'll just reduce this and place it under the bottle too. Let me edit this, reduce the size a little bit, move it towards this. Alright, so it looks as if it's standing on the table. Then I will change the background to red. I use dark red. This dark red. Let me bring this picture down a little bit. Yeah, so it looks better now. Okay, then the next thing I'll do, I'll write Gouda. Now just watch what I want to do now. Then I'll change the fonts to Metropolis extra bold. Let's use Metropolis black. Metropolis black, that's what I want. So I'll increase the size, and then I'll look for perspective and just edit it a little bit, just to have an effect that it is lying down on the table. Okay, alright, I think this is okay, almost okay. So I'll click on OK. Alright, so I'll click on OK, and I'll just increase the size of this. I'll go to font size and increase it so that it will be very big. Now just watch what I'm doing. Then I'll change the color to dark red again. I'll send it under the table. Okay, and then I'll reduce the opacity. Now it will look as if it is resting on the table. Let's leave it at opacity 20. Alright, so I've added that effect. Then the next thing I want to add is write-ups again. So let's go there. Let me use Metropolis black again. Increase the size of the font, leave it at 100. Alright, I'll use a different font. Let me use another font. Let's say Go Bold. Reduce the size of the font, put at 90. Reduce the line spacing. Alright, this is it. So the next thing I will do is, let me reduce this font to 80. Alright, I think this should be okay. Now if you watch what I'm doing, I want the height of the right up and the bottom to be the same thing. So that's just what I'm working on right now. So I'll just do this, and I'll change the DER to gold. So I'll make it golden in color, and then I'll write the slogan of the beer brand. Say the ultimate beer ... Alright, I'll reduce the size, then I'll change the font to Metropolis regular italic. So here's what I have. This is a very simple design, let me move this towards the left. Bring this down under the bottom. Okay, no. Bring the ultimate beer under here. Make it dark red. Alright, so let me add something like a shape. Reduce the opacity. And send it to the back, and then I'll write Golda again, but this time I'll rotate it and make it, let me see what, okay, let's make it white. Let me use white. So let me reduce the opacity of this. No, still it looks good. Let me use the hollow font. Yeah, this looks better. I'll duplicate it, and yeah, so this looks better. Let me just reduce the opacity a little bit so it will not be too loud. And this is our new design, Golda. Click on OK, and let me show you what it looks like. Alright, so finally, before I would end this video, I would like us to see what our design looks like. Alright, so I'll just head into my photo app and we'll see what this looks like. Alright, so this is a very beautiful design. Idea just shot into my head right here and now. I didn't see this anywhere. I've not seen something like this before. Alright, so this is a beautiful video of having a PNG file and making a very simple yet beautiful design. Alright, so I would meet you in another class.